Hi, welcome to Cutting Edge Artificial Grass. We are low odour artificial grass installers. We pioneer in this field, constantly testing new products to try and keep the odours for those with dog as low as it possibly can be. A question we get asked many times is, why does my artificial grass smell of dog urine odours? So there's probably a good chance you've got a dog that's peeing on it. I suppose that's quite obvious. But joking apart, the real reasons is you've normally used the wrong materials, the wrong grass, in the wrong installation process. So normally people will have used something like type 1 MOT, which is full of fines. They'll have used grano dust, which is fines. And they might have used sand, which is an absolute disaster. Don't ever use sand. Reason being, well, there's loads of reasons you don't want to use sand, but the main one for dogs is it holds the uric acid crystals, and you're not getting rid of that smell anytime soon if you've used sand in any bit. You've also likely used the wrong type of grass. Most folk use child and pet friendly latex back grass, which is absorbent and holds the smells, and again it's a disaster to get that smell out. So this is a rough guide in how we at Cutting Edge Artificial Grass would do it. So you would do an excavation at least 100mm deep. You'd remove the turf and soil. Then you'd lay down a non-woven geotextile membrane. Reason being, it drains very fast. Don't use the usual black cheap membrane. That's rubbish and it won't drain fast enough. Then you want to build up some layers. Layers of no fine, or should I say low fine materials. First layer, 40mm whinstone, minimal fines. Second layer, 20mm whinstone, minimal fines. Next layer, top layer, 6mm drainage stone, minimal fines. But you might want to add a wee bit of grano into it to basically tighten it up. Then on top, you use your pet specific artificial grass, which is different for pet friendly. Every grass basically is pet friendly. Pet specific, which would normally be PU backed polyurethane. So this grass is non-absorbent, odour resistant, but it still gets drainage holes. You might also want to use a ProFlow grass instead of the PU. So to make your installation even better, below the grass you might want to consider a layer of deofill, and deofill neutralises the ammonia to keep the smells away. And on top of the grass you might need to put another line of defence, which would be envirofill, which actually kills the bacteria. So the combination of all that stuff is going to give you a very low odour artificial grass, especially if you're regularly maintaining it by brushing it up against the pile and cleaning it with the proper cleaner, which would be bacteria enzyme based. Maybe have to do that more regular in the summer, but not so much in the winter. But all that stuff, and you've got a low odour artificial grass. So if you want any free advice on doing this, give us a call or drop a message. We're always happy to help. Thank you.